Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought of doing something more colorful and a little different, so I choose to do this look. And to watch this, please stay tuned. Thank you so much for coming here. Please keep watching. So today I'll start my makeup with doing my base first, and then I'll go on to the eyes. I'll be moisturizing my face with the Dot & Key Illuminating Glow Moisturizer Serum. Taking a pump. The primer is the Pore Minimizing Primer by the Sugar Cosmetics. Just a minimal amount. The brushes I'll be working with are these two travel size packs I got from Kiko. My eye primer is the shade Groundwork of MAC Paint Pot. I will be applying it with my finger all across my lid. A little on my under eye area. The base I will be working today is with the My Glam Total Makeover FF Cream. Brush would be Kiko 01, the travel size. That's how the foundation brush looks. This palette has been used and this is how it looks. That's the foundation shade, corrector and the concealer. And I'm in the shade Hazelnut. I will not be putting the foundation on my under eye area, as the darkness will any which ways be concealed by the corrector and concealer. Today, to do my concealer corrector, I'll be using my hands. Taking the orange corrector on my finger, I'll be applying it on the under eye area in a dabbing motion. Now I'm applying the concealer on top of the corrector. See? That's how it's concealed. Moving on to the other eye. Please do not forget the inner corner of your eye. Highlighting the center of my face. I like My Glam as a brand because it has very multifunctional products, can easily be carried and used. Also help you in minimizing your travel kit. To set my base, I will use the My Glam Glow to Glamour. It has 2-in-1 product, fixing powder and a shimmer powder. Taking my product on the 02 brush from the travel set, dusting off the excess. I will dust it on my under eye in a patting motion. I'll be using the NYX highlight and contour palette for my contouring. We'll be using this deeper tone. The brush I'll be using is this 04. The brushes are on both sides. It's a multi-purpose brush. It is lightly angled, so I'll use this for my nose contour. Blending it with my finger. Merging it with my eyebrow. You can see the contouring. Smile a bit, apply the blush. I'll be using the My Glam Stay Defined Duo in the shade 01 Walnut and Ebony. Taking on my Kiko angled brush, it's 502 Eyes and Lip Brush. I'll take the product on the brush, tap the excess from the spoolie and start doing my brows. I'm back with both my brows done. Brushing the brows so that the product is evenly distributed. Now moving on to the eyes, I'll be using my James Charles Morphe palette and I will be doing a little brighter look. Let's see how it goes. I'll be using a white base from my Kryolan palette. Taking the product, applying it on my lid, and again then setting it with a loose powder. Colors come out better on a white base. A good option is the NYX white base. I'm done with the application of the white base. I'll be now setting it with the loose powder. I'll be using my Pro Art brush PE22. The first shade I'll be using is this yellow color. Since yellow colors are a bit difficult to work with, I will use my ring finger to pat the product. Application becomes better. And I'll just blend the color. I decided to take the yellow on the entire lid. This dark purple I'll be using on my lower lash line. The brush I'm using is Eyes 504, again the travel kit brush. I will use this color as a transition shade, taking on the same 03 Kiko brush, taking the product, putting it on my crease and blending it. To ensure it's blended well, I'm using my Pro Art PE22 brush. The same shade I'll be using on my lower lash line also. I'll be using the liquid eyeliner from the Stay Defined combination. That's the liner. We'll be back with the other eye done, and I'm back with my liner done. Since I want to keep the focus on the shade purple on my lower lash line, I'll be using Sugar Cosmetics Kohl pencil on the lower lash line. To open up my eyes, I'm using a golden shade on the inner corner. Same golden shade I'm using as my highlighter. Will be intensifying my blush a bit more with a dark pink color and taking the excess of the product on my hand. Using the same highlighting shade as on my brow bone, I will highlight my high points of my cheekbone. You can see the lovely glow. On my Cupid's bow. Now for this look, I wanted a little bright color, a contrasting color on lipstick. So for that, I'm using 12 Baby Houseman from Sugar Cosmetics. Slightly overlining and spreading the product with my Kiko Lip and Eye 502 brush. Since I have dry lips, so matte lipsticks can be a little tough for me to use. The trick is moisturize them well beforehand. I had applied chapstick and then I apply this and then I'm good to go. Now I'll be back with the finished look. And I'm back with this look and this beautiful necklace, which was by Reena Soor. So do let me know in your comment section how you like the look. People who are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Share your comments. Any queries, do mention them in the comment box. I shall reply them. Thank you so much for coming here.